Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really sweet little Fendi to show you today. So it is a Fendi Pequin crossbody and it's got that tan leather trim as well as the straps as well. So we've got one adjustable crossbody strap. So we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, but you can see you've got quite a few settings to make it a little bit longer. And then it's really nice and simple. We've just got zip top closure with that little Fendi zip pull there. And inside you've just got one main compartment. We've still got our tag inside there, but yeah, just one main compartment inside the bag. The condition of it, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. It's this lovely coated canvas fabric, on the exterior, so really nice sturdy hardy fabric, and then on the inside we've just got that fabric lining too. So there's no particular marks, no particular signs of wear on the interior for me to show you. We've called it very good just because you can tell it's had a previous life, but it is in a really nice condition. And then the exterior, on that coated canvas and that leather trim, there's no marks. It's really in a really nice, pristine condition. It's just the strap really why we've called it very good. So you can see where it's been sat in that buckle, where it's got a little bit of creasing and discoloration, and there's just a little bit of creasing along that leather strap, so that is why we've called the exterior very good. The hardware we've called good because there is a little bit more show of wear, so you can see this goldy brass coloured hardware. Some of the parts that is just darkened a little bit, or that gold tone has just faded a little bit. You can see on the corners of these strap loops there. So that is why we've called the hardware good. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, go to the link in the description below. As you know, that is the link to shop this exact bag. So if you're interested, go to that link. If that link doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, you've got a couple of options. We've got loads of beautiful Armcandy on our website, so have a browse through if you've missed out on this one. But also, if you're looking out specifically for this one or something like this, you can let us know and we can pop you on our request list. And it's really easy to do that. Just let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form. Let us know what you love. It can be this or any request that you have in mind, whether that's Chanel, Saint Laurent, Gucci, whatever it is, just let us know. We'll get you on that list, and then as soon as we have in something that you like, you'll be one of the first to know. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So this strap again, we've got in the shortest setting at the minute, and that is what it looks like on me as a shoulder. So I'm a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", so you can have that as a shoulder, or I like to have it as a crossbody like that. And it's really nice and simple, really simple shape, and nice crossbody. Perfect, sits perfectly on me. I like a crossbody that sits kind of on my hips like this, and it's nice, easy, hands-free, perfect for every day. So if this is your kind of thing, again, go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website too. We'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through that page. Like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And we've got new bags to show you every day, so make sure you hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more.